American type hose clamp. 1. A product definition. Attaches hoses to fittings. Tightly seals to prevent fluid air leakage. 2. A materials and corrosion resistance. Zinc, economical for indoor low corrosive environments. Stainless steel, excellent corrosion protection. 3. Core advantages. Complete models, full range for diverse needs. Stable, tough, fixed firmly without loosening. Easy installation, smooth, safe, no hand injury. For main applications: gas pipe, coal gas pipe, water pipe, sewer pipe. Installation procedure.